NISM 5A Mutual Fund Distributors Certification Exam Mock Test. Actual exam pattern. Test duration is 2 hours. Fee is 1500. Number of questions are 100. Maximum marks are 100. Pass mark is 50. Negative marks. No negative marks. Certificate validity 3 years. Here is the link to enroll the exam. Let's start the mock test. First question. For an investor to get a quick sense of the level of risk involved in a mutual fund scheme, SEBI suggested a simplified framework known as, your options are riskometer, risk factors, fact sheet, investor's risk profile. Take your time to answer the question. The correct answer is option A, riskometer. Next question. A systematic withdrawal plan is ideal for investors who prefer regular income stream, who want to redeem units to book capital gains, who want to diversify in other assets, who want to benefit from market fluctuation. The correct answer is option A, prefer regular income stream. Next question. After dividend declaration, unit holders are entitled to receive dividend within 1 week or 1 month or 42 days or 6 weeks. The correct option is option B, 1 month. Next question. Which of the following are closed-ended debt funds? Option A, fixed maturity plans. Option B, overnight funds. Option C, dynamic debt funds. Option D, arbitrage funds. The correct answer is option A, fixed maturity plans. Mutual funds are constituted as trust in India. Who are the beneficiaries of the trust? Options are the employees of the asset management company, the mutual fund distributors, unit holders, trustees of the mutual fund. The correct option is C, unit holders. Next question. The interest rate in the economy increases, the price of existing bonds increases or fluctuate or decreases. The correct answer is option C, decreases. Next question. Each mutual fund scheme must have a stated investment objective. State whether it is true or false. The correct answer is option A, true. Next question. Market capitalization of a company is calculated by multiplying the number of outstanding shares by face value of share or book value of share or current market value of each share or net asset value. The correct answer is option C, current market value of each share. Next question. On which of the following basis an investor can select a scheme? Option A, mutual fund scheme's investment objective. Option B, scheme past returns. Option C, favorite asset management company. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option A, mutual fund scheme's investment objective. Next question. Sponsor needs to contribute a minimum 40% of the net worth of the assets. True or false? The correct answer is option A, true. Which of the following is less risk concentrated? Option A, sector fund. Option B, multi-cap fund. Option C, thematic fund. Option D, mid-cap fund. The correct answer is option B, multi-cap fund. Next question. Investor's return is different from scheme return to the extent. Option A, load. Option B, scheme recurring expenses. Option C, MTM. Option D, AMC fees. The correct answer is option A, load. Next question. What is the future value of the money if someone invested today 1 lakh rupees at 10% return in 3 years? The correct answer is 1,33,100. Option C. The formula is P into 1 plus R whole power n. By applying this formula, we can get the future value. Which of the following is a measure of risk-adjusted return? Option A, simple return. Option B, standard deviation. Option C, beta. Option D, Sharpe ratio. The correct answer is option D, Sharpe ratio. Next question. SEBI dash offer documents of mutual fund schemes. Option A, vets. Option B, approves. Option C, disapproves. Option D, registers. The correct answer is option A. SEBI vets the offer documents of mutual fund schemes. The next question. All financial goals are taken together in option A, goal-oriented planning. Option B, SIP. Option C, comprehensive financial plan. Option D, wealth management. The correct answer is option C, comprehensive financial plan. Next question. Unit holders' right to information does not include obtaining from the trustees any information having an adverse effect on their investments. Option B, inspecting major documents of a fund. Option C, receiving of a copy of the annual financial statements of that fund. Option D, approving investment decisions of the fund. Correct answer is option D, approving investment decisions of the fund. Next question. Find the odd man out. Option A, international fund. Option B, open-ended fund. Option C, closed-ended fund. Option D, interval fund. The correct answer is option A, international fund. When comparing funds performance with that of its peer group, following cannot be compared. Two debt funds with similar maturities, government security funds with government securities. Option C, broad-based equity fund with IT sector fund. Option D, bond fund with bond index. The correct answer is option C, broad-based equity fund with IT sector fund. Next question. Assuming everything is constant, if a corporate begins to suffer huge losses, then the default risk on bond will increase or decrease, and the expected return on the bond will increase or decrease. Option B, default risk on bond will increase and expected return on the bond will decrease. The next question. NPS is regulated by option A, PFRDA, option B, IRDA, option C, PFRDA and IRDA, option D, AMFI. The correct answer is option A, PFRDA. Next question. Trial commission means what? Option A, commission paid to the agent in phases. Commission paid to the agent when units of the fund are redeemed. Commission paid to the agent when units are sold to the investor. Option D, commission paid on ETF funds. The correct answer is option A, commission paid to the agent in phases. The next question. Tactical asset allocation is also known as option A, dynamic asset allocation. Option B, strategic asset allocation. Option C, balanced asset allocation. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, dynamic asset allocation. Next question. In the riskometer, which of the following fund is an example of moderately low risk? Your options are index fund, option B, sector fund, option C, fixed maturity plan, FMP, option D, income fund. The correct answer is option C, fixed maturity plan, FMP. Next question. Which of the following is untrue of unclaimed amount? Options. AMC can deploy in debt funds and AMC can charge recurring expenses. Option B. AMC must make efforts to trace the investors and remind them through letters. Option C. Annual report to mention unclaimed amount. Option D. Annual report to mention number of investors in each scheme. The correct answer is option A. AMC can deploy in debt funds and AMC can charge recurring expenses. Next question. The appointment of an AMC can be terminated by a majority of the trustees or by 75% of the unit holders with approval of SEBI. State whether it is true or false. The correct answer option A, true. Next question. Day-to-day operations of the mutual fund is handled by option A, RTA, option B, ISCCs, option C, Board of Trustees, option D, AMC. The correct answer is option D, AMC. A mutual fund in India needs to be constituted as option A, trust, option B, company, option C, society, option D, trustee company. The correct answer is option A, trust. Next question. How many members can specify as nominee in one folio? Option A, 1, option B, 2, option C, 3, option D, 4. The correct answer is option C, 3 members. Mutual fund schemes are first offered to investors through option A, IPO, option B, NFO, option C, stock exchange, option D, AMFI. The correct answer is option B, NFO, new fund offer. Code of ethics for employees of AMC is prescribed by SEBI or AMFI or internal audit team or trustees. The correct answer is option B, AMFI. Which of the following is not a fundamental attribute? Option A, investment objective. Option B, name of the fund manager. Option C, investment pattern. Option D, liquidity provisions. The correct answer option B, name of the fund manager. Which of the following is balanced hybrid fund index indicates? CRISIL hybrid 25 plus 75 aggressive index or 50 plus 50 aggressive index or 75 plus 25 or all of the above. The correct answer is option B, CRISIL hybrid 50 plus 50 aggressive index. Next question. What is the measure of the consistency of the outperformance of the fund manager relative to the benchmark? Your options are beta or alpha or tracking error or Treynor ratio. The correct answer is option C, tracking error. Which of the following funds gives low returns? Option A, low duration funds. Option B, liquid funds. Option C, debt funds. Option D, diversified equity funds. The correct answer is option B, liquid funds. Fund accounting activity of a scheme is to be compulsory outsourced, whether it is true or false. Answer is false. Which of the following is benchmark to long-term debt scheme? Sensex or Nifty or 1-year treasury bills or 10-year dated GOI security or CRISIL money market fund? The correct answer is option C, 10-year dated GOI security. What is the total expense ratio limit of other than equity oriented schemes on the first 500 crore of the daily net assets? Option A, 2.25, option B, 2%, option C, 1.75%, option D, 1.5%. Correct answer is option B, 2%. Next question. The custodian is, it needs to register with SEBI or it settles all the transactions on behalf of the mutual fund schemes? Custodian is appointed by the trustees or all of the above? The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Which of the following type of analysis tracks the price and volume data related to trading in the security? Option A, fundamental analysis. Option B, situation analysis. Option C, technical analysis. Option D, quantitative analysis. The correct answer is option C, technical analysis. Next question. Which of the following valuation is done on a daily basis for calculation of daily NAV of mutual fund scheme? Option A, net asset value. Option B, mark to market. Option C, face value. Option D, unit capital. The correct answer is option B, mark to market. Long-term capital loss can set off against long-term capital gain and short-term capital gain. State whether it is true or false. Option B, false. Purchase transaction in equity schemes for 1 crore rupee at 11 am. Then, which NAV is applicable? Option A, same day NAV. Option B, next business day NAV. Option C, NAV of fund realization day or previous day NAV. The correct answer is option C. Which of the following would be suitable for a retiree with a modest risk appetite? Option A, value fund. Option B, balanced fund. Option C, diversified fund. Option D, growth fund. The correct answer is option B, balanced fund. Next question. What is the minimum investment in equity related instruments of large cap companies in the category of large and mid cap fund? Option A, 35%. Option B, 40%. Option C, 45%. Option D, 50%. The correct answer is option A, 35%. Next question. What term is used to describe the net asset value of the scheme after the dividend is paid out? Remember, the NAV would have dropped to the extent of the dividend paid. Option A, ex-dividend NAV. Option B, cum dividend NAV. Option C, lower NAV. Option D, dividend NAV. The correct answer is option A, ex-dividend NAV. Next question. Passive funds are safe as the NAV of such funds do not go down even when the respective markets fall. State whether it is true or false. Option B, false. Next question. Which of the following cannot be considered for the purpose of selecting a scheme's benchmark? Mutual fund scheme's investment objective, investment strategy of the mutual fund scheme, scheme's asset allocation pattern, scheme's past returns. The correct answer is option D, scheme's past returns. Next question. An investor invested in scheme A when the scheme's NAV was 120 per unit. The investor redeemed the investments at the NAV of 135 rupees, then calculate the simple return. The correct answer is option C. Simple return is 12.5%. Next question. Which of the following is a measure of fluctuation in periodic returns in an equity mutual fund scheme? Option A, variance. Option B, Sharpe ratio. Option C, modified duration. Option D, Jensen's alpha. The correct answer is option A, variance. Next question. Whose KYC needed to be completed in case of an application by a minor? Option A, the minor. Option B, the guardian. Option C, any family member of the minor. Option D, no KYC is required in case of application by minors. Option B, guardian. The guardian KYC should be completed in the case of minors application. Next question. How many maximum bank accounts can a non-individual investor register with a mutual fund folio? Option A, 4. Option B, 5. Option C, 8. Option D, 10. The correct answer is Option D, 10. Maximum 10 bank accounts can be registered in the case of non-individual investor folio. At what price bonus units are issued to the unit holder? Option A. Price is decided by the ANC in consultation with the trustees. Option B. The bonus units are allotted at free of cost. Option C. At the prevailing NAV. Option D. At the prevailing NAV divided by the bonus ratio. The correct answer is option B. Bonus units are allotted at free of cost. Next question. In the non-equity oriented funds, the rate of long-term capital gain tax is option A 10% with indexation, option B 10% without indexation, option C 20% with indexation, option D 20% without indexation. The correct answer is 20% with indexation, option C. Next question. Which among the following is not a statutory document? Option A. Fund fact sheet. Option B. Statement of additional information. Option C. Scheme information document. Option D. Key information memorandum. The correct answer is option A. Fund fact sheet. Next question. What is the minimum percentage of the mutual fund scheme corpus must be invested in equity and equity related instruments in the case of equity linked savings scheme, that is ELSS scheme? Option A 65%, option B 70%, option C 80%, option D 100%. The correct answer is option C 80%. Next question. What is the real rate of return? Option A, return that the investor gets after all payments of expenses, or after taxes, or after adjusting the risk, or after the adjusting inflation. The correct answer is option D, return that the investor gets after adjusting inflation. Which of the following tells the how much profit the company earned for each equity share that they own? Option A, price to earnings ratio. Option B, face value. Option C, earnings per share. Option D, dividend yield. The correct answer is option C, earnings per share. Next question. Register and transfer agents of a mutual fund are not responsible for option A, advise schemes for investors. Option B, invest money in security markets. Option C, update investor records. Option D, both A and B. The correct answer is option D, both A and B. Next question. Minimum net worth requirement for AMC is option A 50 crore, option B 5 crore, option C 10 crores, option D 20 crores. The correct answer is option A 50 crores. Next question. If gold price appreciates, investor would benefit from investing in which of the following? Option A, gold sector fund. Option B, gold ETF. Option C, index funds. Option D, gilt edge security. The correct answer is gold sector fund. Next question. What is the full form of AGNI? AMFI Guidelines and Norms for Institutions, AMFI Guidelines and Norms for Intermediaries. Option C, Association Guidelines and Norms for Institutions. Option D, Association Guidelines and Norms for Intermediaries. The correct answer is option B, AMFI Guidelines and Norms for Intermediaries. The entity that SEBI does not regulate capital market or mutual funds or AMFI or non-banking financial company. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The transition phase of the investor's wealth cycle is when? At the retirement age, or at beginning of his career, or financial goals are approaching, or after retirement? The correct answer is financial goals are approaching. Option C. Next question. If someone invested 1 lakh rupees in equity mutual fund scheme in the year December 2016 and then he completely sold his units at the value of 2,20,000 rupees in the year February 2018, then what is the long-term capital gain? It should be calculated in the context of grandfathering of the capital gains. Option A, no tax. Option B, 1,20,000. Option C, 20,000. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, 20,000. Next question. Key Information Memorandum, that is KIM, is to be updated once in a quarter or month or year or in 6 months. The correct answer is option C, once in a year. Next question. Which of the following schemes are eligible for deduction under Section 80C? Diversified equity funds, or ELSS equity savings scheme, or bond funds, or all of the above? The correct answer is option B, ELSS equity savings scheme. Next question. Investment objective is closely linked to option A, scheme, option B, option C, plan, option D, SIP. The correct answer is option A, scheme. Next question. Which of the following color indicates the medium risk? Option A, brown, option B, yellow, option C, blue, option D, orange. The correct answer is yellow. What is the STT percentage? Means securities transaction tax applicable for sale of units of equity oriented mutual funds. 2% or 1.75% or 0.001%, 0.025%. The correct answer is 0.001%. Next question. Scheme benchmark indicates which of the following? Investment in different asset classes, investment objective of the scheme, investment strategy of the scheme, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Which of the following agency are the mutual fund distributors registered? Your options are Securities Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, or Fund Accounting Team, or Depositories, or Association of Mutual Funds in India. The correct answer is option D, Association of Mutual Funds in India. Next question. Mutual funds value their investments. Option A, at purchase price. Option B, on a mark-to-market basis. Option C, at par. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, on a mark-to-market basis. A better performance than index is given by active fund or passive fund. The correct answer is option A, active fund. Time stamping machine is must at offices of distributor or AMCs or bank branches or declared as points of acceptance. The correct answer is option D, declared as points of acceptance. Capital protection oriented schemes are always open-ended or closed-ended. The correct answer is option B, closed-ended. Next question. Risk-tolerant investors are usually aggressive investors, or moderate investors, or conservative investors, or none of the alternatives. The correct answer is aggressive investors. Option A. Market capitalization of company is 151 crore rupees. Then In which equity category falls under that company? Option A, large cap. Option B, mid cap. Option C, small cap. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, mid cap. Next question. The minimum subscription amount in initial offer for REITs. REITs means Real Estate Investment Trust. Option A, 5,000 rupees. Option B, 10,000 rupees. Option C, 50,000 rupees. Option D, 1 lakh rupees. The correct answer is option C, 50,000 rupees. Arrange the following below 3 categories of debt funds in risk-return hierarchy. Ultra short-term fund, liquid fund, and short duration funds. The correct answer is option C. The hierarchy is liquid fund, after that ultra short-term fund, and after that short duration fund. Next question. Systematic investment plan (SIP) is a good investment strategy because it helps regular income to investor gets more returns, or it offers benefits of rupee cost averaging, or no charges applicable. The correct answer is option C. It offers benefits of rupee cost averaging. Next question. Key Information Memorandum, that is KIM, is which of the following? Correct answer is option A. After the NFO reopens, these funds are open for purchase by existing as well as new investors, open for purchases only for existing investors, open for purchase or sale only through stock exchange mechanism, open for purchase or sale only for NRIs or foreign investors or OCBs. The correct answer is option A, open for purchase by existing as well as new investors. Next question. In the debt markets, the credit risk arises on account of the following. Option A, delay in payments. Option B, default. Option C, rating downgrade. Option D, any of the above. The correct answer is option D, any of the above. Investors who register on the MFU platform, that is Mutual Fund Utility, are allotted a CAN. Then what is the full form of CAN? Option A, Common Alternative Number. Option B, Clear Account Number. Option C, Common Account Number. Option D, Consolidated Account Number. The correct answer is option C, Common Account Number. Next question. Which of the following is not a credit rating agency? Option A, CRISIL. Option B, CARE. Option C, CDSL. Option D, Fitch. The correct answer is option C, CDSL. Unit balance in the investor's account is multiplied by current NAV equal to option A, exit load. Option B, purchase value. Option C, current value of investments. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, current value of investments. Next question. Solution-oriented schemes having a lock-in period for at least how many years? 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, or 6 years? The correct answer is 5 years. Next question. Which of the following is not a limitation of a mutual fund? Option A, choice overload. Option B, no control on cost. Option C, lack of portfolio customization. Option D, guaranteed returns. The correct answer is option D, guaranteed returns. Next question. Price earning ratio of company is 20. Earnings per share is 10 rupees. What is the market price of this company? Option A, 100. Option B, 150. Option C, 200. Option D, 250. The correct answer is 200. Option C. Next question. Which is the most illiquid asset? Option A, real estate. Option B, gold. Option C, equity. Option D, debt. The correct answer is option A, real estate. What is the most reliable source of information for an investor in mutual fund scheme? Option A, advice from distributor. Option B, AMFI website. Option C, offer document. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option C, offer document. Which of the following is not an SRO? Option A, AMFI. Option B, Mumbai Stock Exchange. Option C, FPSB India. Option D, IRDA. The correct answer is option A, AMFI. As per the SEBI guidelines, how often should the mutual fund schemes portfolio be published? Option A, monthly. Option B, half-yearly. Option C, annually. Option D, never. The correct answer is option B, half-yearly. Next question. Which of the following recurring expenses is AMC charged by the mutual fund scheme? Option A, brokerage and transaction cost. Option B, audit fees. Option C, custodian fees. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Allotment formalities need to be finalized within how many days of closure of NFO, that is new fund offer? Option A, 3 days. Option B, 5 days. Option C, 7 days. Option D, 9 days. The correct answer is option B, 5 days. Next question. NAV is to be calculated up to 4 decimal places in the case of option A, index funds. Option B, liquid funds. Option C, other debt funds. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Investments owned by the scheme may be quoted in the market at higher than the cost paid. These gains are called valuation gains, or booked gains, or notional losses, or notional gains. The correct answer is option A, valuation gains. Redemption request can be made by which of the following? Option A, physical form. Option B, AMC website. Option C, MF utility platform. Option D, all of the above. Option D, all of the above. Next question. What are the risks related to debt funds? Option A, rating migration risk. Option B, risk associated with short selling. Option C, risk associated with derivatives. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option A, rating migration risk. Thank you for watching, friends. Please subscribe for more videos.